PDP suspends top Wike Island as National Vice Chairman. I hope this suspension will not make PDP to lose in Edo State. The People's Democratic Party, in a statement by its National Publicity Secretary, Debo Ologunagba, said the National Working Committee approved Obi's suspension after reviewing complaints against him ahead of the gubernatorial election coming up in Edo State. Well, I hope, I repeat again, that this will not affect them in the election, because Obi is a strong ally of Wike, like they said, and these people, they work together. If we want to look at the person, the only activities that Obi is doing is only in the state. But what Wike has done, I'm sure is more than what Obi is doing to the party in Edo State. Well, let's see how it ends. And even today, there is no political party that you won't see former PDP or former APC. They are crossing from one place to the other. According to the secretary, the People's Democratic Party National Working Committee also set up a 6-month committee to investigate allegations against the suspended National Vice Chairman. The statement said the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party at this meeting considered all issues, including complaints on the activities of the National Vice Chairman South, Chief John Obi, concerning the September 21, 2024 governorship election in Edo State. The committee unanimously condemned the embarrassing actions and utterances of Chief John Obi relating to the Edo State governorship primary election of a great party, which actions and utterances are inconsistent with the provisions of the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party and the demand of his office as a national officer of the party. Consequently, the National Working Committee has set up a 6-member committee headed by the Deputy National Chairman, South, Ambassador Taofeek Arapaja. Are you sure this is not another ally of Wike? To investigate the issue pursuant to the provisions of the Constitution of the party. Dan Obi he has been suspended from participating in all meetings, activities, and programs of the National Working Committee pending the conclusion of investigation by the committee. The National Working Committee acknowledges the support and solidarity of the overwhelming majority of the party of Edo State, who are rallying with our party and candidate Dr. Asue Ighodalo, whose vision is in tandem with the will and aspiration of the people for continued massive development of the state on the platform of the People's Democratic Party. Well, this is Nigeria, anything goes. The governor there today was formerly in APC, a cross-carpeted to PDP, and in fact, they are just not different between themselves. 6 and a half a dozen. That is what APC and PDP is in this political agenda of our nation. People should learn to be patient. That is the reaction from those, I'm sure from Edo State now reacting, because people should learn to be patient. Wike is not an Edo man. Take it from me today that the fall and failure of Wike will be so great. Are you not aware that nothing lasts forever? Well, I believe that the suspension is long overdue. It's a political jobber, and it should be dealt with decisively. PDP can punish member for anti-party activity. This is strange. Well, another respondent said, a good move in the right direction. The suspension of Obi was overdue, but the People's Democratic Party will better redeem its image by expelling Wike, the root cause of its problem. If you are bold enough to suspend South PDP national chairman for anti-party activities, what about the president of the People's Democratic Party anti-party activities? So there's a president for anti-party activities in PDP, and the person of Nyesom Wike is here above the party. Please, can People's Democratic Party give me an answer? Well, be expecting the answer, it will soon come. People deceive people. September 21 is going to be an aid to plan well operators. Wike is scattering this party. By the time People's Democratic Party suspend Obi and others, this will be an advantage for APC in the state. You just wait and see what advantage. They just want to continue to enslave Nigerians and other respondents. This suspension is long overdue. Kindly mention any political party that does not have former members of PDP in them. Well, this is Nigeria. You are allowed to move from one party to the other. Once your interest is not being served, you are at liberty to move. Even while you are on the ticket of that party that elected you, you can move to any other party of your choice. Well, another one said, what of Wike? Arakpaja na Wike boy? No, it's not. This person said, Arakpaja no be na Makinde boy, no be Wike boy. Imagine. They will still beg him after election when they lose woefully. Well, September 21st is around the corner. We'll see who will carry the day. This is politics for you in Nigeria. The party, for me, they choose who to suspend and choose who not to suspend. Because if you look at the party in general, there are so many things that other office holder and the political party they have done and nothing has happened. Well, maybe some people are above the party, they are untouchable. Well, what is your own opinion on this suspension? Will we mar or make PDP in Edo State? Kindly make your opinion known as you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.